Hi my dearest subscribers and viewers. Today I would like to be showing you how I made the Scrunchies Headband Fascinator with lace. You know, in most of the videos, even my video, I showed you how to make it with Ankara, but I'm going to show you how to make it with lace. But before we get into it, for those just joining me, I'm Nkechi from The Vent, empowering you to create wealth with tutorials on how to make unique fascinators, as well as showing you tips and tricks of the craft. So let's dive in to today's training. So here are the materials I was given by the client. That bridal satin I just dropped, and this lace is so pretty. Yeah, these two pieces was what I was given to make it, and then this other bridal satin black. So I cut out the black bridal satin by 10 by 45 inches, and I'm spreading it out now because I'm going to be putting my lace on top of it. You know, you can't use the lace like that, it will be light. So this is what I did. I decided to cut out patterns from the lace to put on top of the black bridal satin that was cut 10 inches by 45 inches. Keep watching and learning how I make this lace crunchy headband fascinator. Okay, so these are the patterns that I've cut. I'll just show you some samples. So you just take your lace and cut out various patterns that you can cut out. Alright? Now let's take a break. Remember this video I put up a week ago? I asked you to tell me what time you think I edit my videos. You all did well. Well done. But the best answer was by Sandra John, who said it's 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. Congratulations there. You would be attending all current 8 classes in the Vent Craft Academy for free. Please check the description of this video below for my WhatsApp number and send me a message to pick up your gifts. Congratulations. So you see why it is good to stay till the very end of my videos. If she didn't, she wouldn't have heard the question. And of course, no question, no answer, no gift. Okay, so let's get back to our training on how to make the lace crunchy headband fascinator. So the first thing you do is you fold the bridal satin into two and get your midpoint, because we want to place the same patterns on the left and on the right from the middle. Okay, so this is the way I'm going to place them. You can see how beautiful these patterns are. They are so cute. But just in case your lace you cannot cut out patterns, it means you would cut out your lace the length of 10 by 45. Okay, so the next step is to trace out the pattern. That's the big patterns. If you have small patterns, you may not need to do this, but because I have big patterns, I had to trace it. And I'll make use of my Uhu gum on the areas that don't have holes, so you don't have the gum seeping out onto the top of the material. Now if your lace doesn't have patterns, as I was saying before, in this step what you're going to do is to put the gum at the edges and some places in the middle so that it sticks perfectly on the bridal satin. So I'm going to be doing this on all the patterns. Keep watching and learning. Okay, after that, after you have placed all your patterns, see how it is? Doesn't it look so lovely and gorgeous? This is the way it looks after you have placed all the patterns on it. This is how I placed my patterns on it to form this lovely design. So you fold it on the wrong side and then you sew it on the 45 length. That's where you sew it. So the next process on what to do is already up on my YouTube channel and it's titled How to Make This Trendy Ankara Crunchy Headband and Ruffle Fascinator. So if you click the link above or you check in the description of this video below, you would be able to continue to the very end on how to make it, because I was like, since I already have that done already on the YouTube channel, no need to make this a lengthy video. You just learn how to do the lace part and then you move over to the other video and watch how to complete it. So once you're done, you should be able to get something looking lovely like this. Okay, so for staying with me till the very end of this video, first of all, if you haven't subscribed, please do click that subscribe button and also the bell so you get notified of all my upcoming videos. Okay, then over to the gift for staying till the very end. Now this is for everyone. Now in the Vencraft Academy reception, anytime I'm not holding a paid training over the weekend, I hold a free training in the reception itself. It's a Telegram group. Okay, so you want to go down to the description of this video and click to join the Vencraft training reception, the Vencraft Academy reception. So you get free trainings and also you don't miss out on any paid training that you would like to attend also. So that's my gift to all that have stayed to the very end. This Saturday we'll be learning how to make this particular red heart. So I'll be giving it to you in pictorial and test format, and I think there should be one video too in it. Okay, so if you hop in, you get to learn how to make this. So till I meet you again in another video is goodbye and God bless.